and welcome back to Jeff and Joe's Puerto Rican Kitchen, where we show you how to make easy, authentic Puerto Rican recipes. We're on day 3 of our quarantine series, and today we have a super delicious and easy recipe, chicken in mushroom sauce. No, it doesn't sound super Puerto Rican, but I've had it a lot while I was growing up. So I know you probably have some cans of mushroom sauce sitting at home, you have some chicken in the fridge or the freezer. Take those out and let's get cooking.
Puertorriqueña, yo te la traigo de Cupey, de Vega Baja y de Santurce, de toda parte de Puerto Rico.
The ingredients for today's recipe include chicken breast. These chicken breasts, we've already prepared it. It's very thinly sliced. You can see how thinly we sliced it. You can also buy it at the store already sliced, but we'd recommend you slice it pretty thinly. We have 1 onion that has already been sliced, cooking oil, a can of cream of mushroom soup, adobo, and garlic. We will begin by searing the chicken. Turn on the stove on medium-high. In a large pot, add the oil. Once the oil is hot, start adding the chicken breast until the bottom of the pot is covered. Add adobo to the chicken. Once the chicken is brown on one side, flip the chicken breast to the other side and add adobo to that side. Once all of the chicken breasts are seared, take them out of the pot and set them aside on a large plate. Leave all of the rendered liquid in the pot. Now add the garlic and onions to the same pot where you seared the chicken. We will use the liquid rendered from the chicken breast to cook the garlic and onion. Cook for about 3 minutes until the onions are translucent. At that point, add the mushroom soup and mix with the onions and garlic until well incorporated. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. Then add a cup of water to the pot and thoroughly mix to incorporate. Let the mixture cook for about 3 to 5 minutes until a uniform sauce is created and it starts to boil. Then add the chicken breast back to the pot. Make sure that the chicken breasts are all covered with the sauce. Bring this to a boil. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. Turn the temperature down to medium and cover the pot. Let it cook for about 10 minutes. Then stir the sauce and the chicken breast, making sure to get anything that sticks to the bottom of the pan. Cover again and let it cook for another 10 minutes. Remove the cover and stir the sauce and chicken breast thoroughly. Turn the temperature up to medium-high. Let it cook for 5 minutes until the sauce begins to thicken. Stir the sauce and let it cook for another 5 minutes or until it reaches your desired consistency, stirring every few minutes. I like the sauce to be thick enough to hold together and use it as a dipping sauce for my side dish. Well, our chicken dish is ready. I'm gonna drizzle a little extra sauce. Look at that, I'm super excited. I'm gonna go ahead and try it by itself, but these will go great with rice and beans, mofongo, tostones. All of those videos are already up on our channel, so go check them out. Let's give this one a try. So good. Deep flavor, it's soft, it's moist, even though it's chicken breast, it's been cooking in that sauce for so long. It's a great dish, guys, and it's super easy. We're on day 3 of our quarantine. Stay safe, stay inside. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that yet, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow for another episode of Jeff and Joe's Puerto Rican Kitchen.